Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how stylists manage their bookings and set their weekly schedule.
Start on your dashboard and open bookings to review your appointment list. If the status allows, apply the supported action and wait for it to update. Move to schedule and adjust your weekly availability. This controls when clients can book you. Save, and your updated availability is live for every future booking.
You can manage the work already booked and shape your availability for what's next. That's Caloti.